End of an era. The Huddle House is finally gone. They finally tore it down. Such a sore thumb in this community. It's been shut down forever. So many memories here. Had so many meals here at some point. They're tearing down that building over here. Just want to not get too close to the construction, but want to show you that an end of an era. The Huddle House is finally gone, and they're tearing down the old building. And I'm at the Boston Boys here, and one last look as he tears down that pillar. So, folks, keeping you on the inside fact. Catch you later, folks.